Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Twitter account without phone number or email. So if you guys don't have access to your phone number or email which was linked with your Twitter account and you forgot your password, and you can follow these steps to recover your account. So before I tell you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and we'll answer you guys. And let's start the video. So first of all, just go back from here and go to Chrome or any search engine you want, okay? So once you go on Chrome or any search engine, just search for Twitter support once you're in your search engine, and you can click on contact us where it says contact us. Click on contact us. Once you click on contact us, it's going to take you to this page, and on this page you need to click on I need login and account support. Once you're over here, click on I can't log into my account, and it's take you to this page. Now in this page it's gonna say how can we help you with your account. I need to regain access to my Twitter account, which is the problem. Please tell us more. Now over here we're gonna click on I forgot my password. Once I do that, I'm gonna click on how did you sign up for this account. So we signed up for this account using our email, so I'm gonna click on email. We're sorry you're having this experience. Click here to reset your password if you have access to this email connected. If you haven't helped you with your issue, please fill the form below. A member of our team will review and be touched. So since we don't have access to this email, basically we're gonna go here and first over here, type the username of your Twitter account. So let me type it. So this is my Twitter handle. Now after I type my Twitter handle over here, I can click on where it says your email. Now over here, enter the email which you have access to, okay? So I'm going to enter the email which I have access to. After entering the email, over here, enter your problem. So basically your problem is Twitter account recovery. Now over here, after writing Twitter account recovery, you need to type this. I forgot the password of my Twitter account and I don't have the access to the email which is linked with my Twitter account. So I can provide you with any information you want. Please help me recover my Twitter account. And after writing that, you can click on submit, and then this problem will be submitted to Twitter, and wait for a couple of days until the Twitter staff replies to you using the email which you just entered over here. They're going to reply to you in this email, and from that, check the email and they'll tell you the process on how you guys can recover your account. So that's basically how you guys can recover your Twitter account without phone number and email. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out. Have a nice day.